Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, what's good, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I'll be reacting to Dopamine by Wing. But I have a confession. So the last time I've encountered Wing, it was when I've been checking out some beatboxers and I've realized that the improver, which is one of my regular persons I reacted to, I've seen the improver with him having a face off, and trust me, he gave the improver a run for his money. So I know what Wing is capable of, but I never really sat to listen to what he have to say differently other than a competition. So today I'll be now learning and to see what fire or what fireball does this man have for us today. So one question, do anyone who's watching this video knows the Jamaican legend Bob Marley? Please let me know about that. And with that being said, let's all hear what Wing is capable of. Peace.
The brain's motivation neurotransmitter, dopamine.
Oh, wow! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Bro, I thought he's actually in the first time. I think it's a ship, bro. Right? I think it's a ship. When that ship bomb blows, I think it's a ship. But bro, ain't no fucking way. Ain't no fucking way. Ain't no freaking way. But bloody hell. Oh my gosh. Yo, that is dope, dog. Yo, Wing is too good, bro. Yo, no way. Kakam. Bro, I never heard nothing like this before. Nothing like this before. It sounds so darn good, bro. But flipping hell, dog. No way. No way, bro. No way. This is taking a while for me to process, but bro, trust me, this is fucking amazing. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yo, this guy is smooth as butter, bro. Oh my goodness. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, yo. Oh my god. Yo, this is hard to even comprehend right now, bro. I can't get over this, bro. Like, oh, is this his actual voice, bro? Like, does he contain something down the throat? Like a musical instrument or something? Because no fucking way. He's coming out so simple, but yesterday so hard. Like, he's unbelievable, bro. He's unbelievable. I can't even think about trying that without even making any form of mistake. He was born talented. Yo, my God. No way, dog. No way, no way. Whoa. This guy is really impressive. He is really impressive, bro. I'm impressed. Like, whoa. That was extraordinary. That was astonishment. Like, I couldn't believe what I just heard, bro. No fucking way. Ain't no freaking way. Look, I don't even know what to say, bro. Wing, that was good. I am not a fan of your music, bro. Trust me. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.